Hello viewers, today in this video I will talk about the best tablets that you can buy under rupees 20,000 rupees and under 30,000 rupees. There are many tablets in the market that you can buy, but before buying any tablet you have to make some compromises because you will not get everything perfect in your desired tablet. Suppose you want a better tablet with good screen, good battery life, but you have to compromise on processor. On the other hand, if you want a gaming processor, you might have compromise on display or battery life. You must keep in mind that no tablet is perfect under any budget. Each and every tablet has its drawbacks. The first tablet that you can buy under 20,000 rupees is Mi Pad 6. Actually, Mi Pad 6 comes with Snapdragon 870 processor, which is very capable and flagship level processor. But in this tablet you cannot expect future updates. So if you are not bothered about future updates, you can buy this tablet. This is a great tablet in every aspect. It has very good display, the battery life is also very good, and the processor, as I have already mentioned, is top notch. So also you will get the pen support along with this tablet, though you have to buy it separately. So this is a great tablet you can buy. The second tablet that you can buy under 20,000 rupees is Poco Pad 5G. Currently the price of this tablet is around 17,499 rupees using SBI credit card in Flipkart.com. This is also a great tablet, but Poco devices have some problem of motherboard issue after update. So if you buy Poco Pad, don't update to the latest version because after every update problems start occurring. So you must keep in mind that you can use Poco Pad, but you cannot expect for the updates. The third tablet that you can buy under 20,000 rupees is Redmi Pad. Redmi Pad is actually very good tablet. The display, the battery life, and also the processor of this tablet is excellent. Currently this product is under discount, so if you want a very good tablet under 20,000, you can grab Redmi Pad. But here also you cannot expect future updates from this tablet because after update you may face problems, so you must keep in mind this. The next tablet that you can buy is from Samsung. It is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. In Amazon.in it was available under 20,000 rupees, but currently this product is out of stock. So if you want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, you can buy that. It is a great tablet. It comes with S Pen in the box with 11 inches LCD display. The quality of the display is very good. Also you can make use of Note app using S Pen that comes free of cost inside this box. So if you are bothered about note taking experiences, you should definitely buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. Some users actually want to buy Lenovo tablets. Yes, you can buy Lenovo tablets also. I generally don't recommend Lenovo tablets due to two problems. The first problem is that after using the tablet for a couple of months, the hardware and the software start giving problems. Plus, the update cycle of Lenovo is not so great. These are the two reasons that I don't recommend Lenovo products to anyone. Otherwise, Lenovo tablets perform very well initially. If you want an iOS device, you can buy iPad 9th generation. It comes with 64 GB internal storage and Wi-Fi variant. Though it was launched in 2019, yet in 2024 it runs on iOS or iPadOS 18.0.1, and it is a very good tablet under 20,000 rupees. No tablet under 20,000 can beat this tablet right now. But in the long run you will feel shortage of storage because 64 GB in 2024 is not a big deal. Now if you want to buy tablets under 30,000 rupees, there are many options. The first option is iPad 10th generation. It comes with a 14 Bionic chipset and it is a very powerful chipset. But the problem with this tablet also is the storage. You will have only 64 GB of internal storage along with this tablet, and there is option of expanding the storage via iCloud storage or SSD. But I think Apple should have given at least 128 GB with the base version. So if you can manage with the storage of iPad 10th generation, it is a great buy. You can enjoy note taking experience on this tablet, but you have to buy pencil separately. You can buy a third party pencil. I have bought Kingone pencil for this iPad 10th generation and it is a very good pencil. If you want to buy this pencil, I will put the link in the description where you can buy with the best offers. The next tablet that you can buy is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. Normally the price of S9 FE Plus is above 35,000 rupees for the Wi-Fi version, but during sale you can buy this device well under 22,000 rupees. But currently the price of this tablet is on the higher side, so you have to wait for the right offers when it will be again on sale, and you can grab this tablet well under 22,000 rupees using credit cards. The note taking experience on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus is excellent. It comes with S Pen in the box that will give a very good experience while taking notes, and the note app is also very intuitive, so you will have a great time using this tablet. Plus the screen size is 12.4 inches LCD. It is a perfect device for multimedia consumption. However, the processor is Exynos 1380, so you cannot expect high-end gaming or video editing from this tablet. The next tablet that you can buy under 30,000 rupees is Oneplus Pad. Actually at 22,000 rupees it was available for the 12 GB RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. Everything is perfect in this tablet, but the note taking experience on Oneplus Pad is not so satisfactory. Plus you have to buy the stylus separately, so this is an extra amount that you have to pay for this tablet. However, the display quality of Oneplus Pad is excellent, plus the battery life of Oneplus Pad is also very good. You will have a great experience using these tablets under the price bracket of 30,000. So these are the tablets that you can buy under 20,000 and 30,000 rupees. Let me know in the comment sections below which tablet you are going to buy. And if you want to buy any tablet, wait for few days when the next sale will come. The currently price of each product is on the higher side, so I will not recommend you to buy any tablet right now in the Diwali sale. You have to wait for few days when next sale will arrive, and you can buy your favorite tablet under your desired price. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.